Hello friends, in today's video we are talking about the celebrity insurance. Which insurance? Celebrity insurance that you have never heard in your life. So this is type of insurance that most of the celebrity is now taking right now, and they are securing their parts, their body parts. We are not taking the insurance for our full body, but celebrities are now taking the body parts insurance on that also very shocking. We'll go in the video and we'll understand. Have you heard about the Keith Richards? If not, he's from England and he's basically a English musician and songwriter. He's very famous for his guitar playing style, so due to that, he planned to insure his middle finger. Very shocking. He want to insure his middle finger because he's playing guitar from the middle finger. So Keith Richards, what he did, he went to the insurance company. He asked for his middle finger insurance coverage. So insurance company went ahead and they analyzed the risk and they provide the insurance policy for the middle finger. And the total value for that particular coverage is $1.6 million. So that is very huge amount that he insured for his middle finger, and he knew his worth as guitarist and realized that the most valuable profession for a guitarist is the middle finger, so that's why he insured his middle finger. That is also very shocking. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe us. Thank you.